we were playing in the streets that Sunday, and I remember to this day we were sitting on something resting, and there was this candy store right across the street from us, and they always used to play a little radio in there. And all of a sudden we heard coming over that Pearl Harbor was bombed. And I look at my friend, and he looks at me, and we say, "Where's Pearl Harbor? Why are they bombing Pearl Harbor?" Nobody knew anything about what was going on. And we didn't even know about the Jews being put into concentration camps or anything like that at that time. And this was, when was it, 1941? Yeah.